and some ice cream at Maggie Mows. I'm getting out the car to get Maggie Mows. Let's go. I got 15 bucks.
My dad's gonna pay for it.
No, he's not. I got 15 bucks. Look at that 10. Look at that 5. Yeah.
Look at the 10.
Go to Maggie Mows. Woo. Maggie Mows. Ah. Woo. Wow. Wee. Ice cream. That's a nice ice cream. Which one do I want? Ooh, cotton candy. Birthday cake. I have no idea. I want ice cream.
Cherry vanilla vacation. Can I have a taste of the blue cotton candy, please? What do you have to say? That sounds like a positive.
I want to try that
Thank
too.
you. Is that what you want?
Oh my goodness, I can't hold it.
In a cup or a cup?
Look at it.
What flavors?
It's delicious.
Is it possible to get a small with 2 flavors? Cotton candy and pink bubblegum with gummy bears.
Where do I put
Ellie,
this
mix together or
spoon?
side by side?
Where do I put the spoon?
Mix together or
Oh.
side by side? Side by side, please.
And then the gummy bears on top are mixed into both.
Do they have
Gummy bears on top?
Do they have cookies?
Yes,
Do
thank
they?
you.
Do they?
What?
Do they have cookies and cream?
I don't know.
They have cookies and cream birthday cake.
I'll have birthday cake.
In what?
Dad, what are you gonna have? You're gonna have chocolate.
Like they're small. What are the toppings now?
Mini and mini.
This is tough. Lots of
You cannot say no to gummy bears.
sprinkles. I'll have sprinkles.
Chocolate sprinkles and
Rainbow
rainbow sprinkles.
sprinkles.
2 scoops is big, right? 2 scoops is fine. Yeah.
Ooh. Baking ice cream.
Look at the ice cream.
What?
What do you say?
Thank you.
The rainbow sprinkles.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Rainbow sprinkles. Going on the ice cream. Yippee! You're getting ice cream,
They're
Rowan.
mashing it. They're marbling your ice cream now.
There's some ice cream. It smells like ice cream.
I see yours too.
Right up there on that shelf. Kit Kats. Whose ice cream is that? Mine?
What did you ask for, Jude?
A birthday cake?
That looks like a birthday cake.
Yippee!
Okay.
Okay. Eat it.
You wanna go sit outside and eat that?
Rowan, can you hold my dollars?
Yes, I will hold your dollars.
Thank you. Bye-bye.